Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song. We're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down half a step and we'll do all the guitar parts. So let's get into it. So for our intro, guitar 1, play the open E, 3rd fret E, then an A power chord, 2 palm mutes on the A string, 5 on the D, 4 on the G, 1 palm mute on the open A, 3 on the D, 2 on the G, and then 5 palm mutes on the open A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, start the same again, E, O, 3, A power chord, 2 palm mutes on the A, 5 and 4, D and G, open A, 3 and 2, 2 palm mutes. Now we're playing the C chord, but just play the 3rd fret on the A, mute the D, open G, 1st fret B, and then play 2nd fret on the A, mute the D, open G and B. Then go back to the first one again. Now this time we're going to palm mute 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do an off on the A, and then finish the same as before. And our chords, 2 palm mutes, and just C, G there. And that's guitar 1, let's have a look at guitar 2. So for our intro solo, we're going to do this little sweep G, 19, 17B, 15E. Then bend 19 on the E, just a half bend. Play 19, then B, 20, 17, 17 on the E. Then play 20E, bend 19, E, do 17, hammer on to 19, and 20 on the B, then bend 15B, play 15, slide back to 13, play 13 again, 13 slide to 12, 12 again, do a pinched harmonic, slide back to 10, 10 again, pinched harmonic, back to 8, 8 again, 8, slide up to 10, and then 10. And they're all the parts to the intro. So for guitar 1, for our verse, it's basically the same as our intro. Our E string, open 3, A power chord, 2 palm mutes on the A, 5 D, 4 G, 1 palm mute on the open A, 3 D, 2 G. Then we play the open A string palm mute 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then open. Now the second guitar is just palm muting 5 times here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go back to the start again, O3, A power chord, 2 palm mutes, 5 and 4, 1 palm mute, 3 and 2, 2 palm mutes on the open A, and the same chords we did in the intro, the C and the G, and we just do that through 2 times, and that's our verse. For our pre-chorus, we're just playing an E power chord to a D, back to the E, palm mute the open E string 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then do that again, E, D, E, stop, come up to the F power chord, play it, slide down, palm mute 3rd fret on the A, play the D power chord, then we're going to palm mute 5th fret on the A 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then play 5 on the G, 6 on the B 2 times. Then we repeat that all again. E, D, E, palm muting, 1, 2, 3, E, D, E, to the F, palm mute 3rd fret, play the D power chord. This time palm mute the 5th fret on the E, 1, 2, 3, then play the D, 1, and then play a C power chord and then a slide. And that's our pre-chorus C. So for our chorus, it's exactly the same as our verse. We're not starting with the open E to 3rd fret, we're just starting on the A power chord. So all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, open. Our chords. And again. So that time there we're putting the open 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, open. Chords. That's guitar 1, let's have a look at guitar 2. So for guitar 2 we're just playing an A minor chord, 2nd fret on the D, 2nd on the G, 1st fret on the B. And the second time through start stays the same, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st on the B, and then just play 4 on the G. And we do that through 2 times and that's our chorus there. So for our post-chorus, we're just starting on a G chord, play the 3rd fret on the E, then play the E, A and D string on the G chord, then do an up strum, and then just play open D, G, 3rd fret, B 2 times, 3rd fret on the E, and then do a down, down, up on the G chord there. So then we're jumping to 5D and G, 5D, 4G, 5D and G again. To an F chord, play top 3 strings, then do an up stroke, and then do a down up, and then just up to an E power chord 2 times. And that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So for guitar 2 we have a clean guitar, we're just playing the G chord again, 10 on the A, then 12 G, B, G, 10 E, back to 12 B, 12 G, 12 D, then go 13 on the B, 12 on the D, 12 B, 12 on the D, 14 on the G, jump back to the B, 12, 13, 12, hammer on pull off, back to 14 on the G, and then we're coming back to the 8 on the A, so an F chord, and then 10, G, B, G, jump up to 8 on the E, 10, B, G, and then we're doing an E sus4, so 7 on the A, 9, D, G, 10 on the B, back to an E chord there. That's guitar 2, now let's have a look at guitar 3. So for guitar 3 we're going to start with a bend on the 10th fret on the G, and slide up to 12, then play 12B, palm mute 12G, 10E, 12B, 12G, then palm mute 12D, 13B, back to palm mute 12D, 12B, palm mute 12D, 14G, then to B, 12, 13, 12, hammer and pull off, 14 on the G, back to 10 on the G, 10B, palm mute 10G, then play 13B, 10B, 10 on the G, and then we do 9 on the D and the G, 10 on the B, and then just 9s. And that's our post-chorus C. From there we just go back to the verse and that stays the same, back to the pre-chorus which is the same, and then back to the chorus which is both parts are the same. So for our second post-chorus, guitar 1 and 2 stay the same. The start of guitar 3 stays the same, bend 10 on the G, slide up to 12, 12B, palm mute 12G, 10E, 12B, 12G, palm mute 12 D, then 13 on the B, 12, slide back to 10, 12 G, back to B, 10, 12, 10, 12 G, 10 on the G, 10 B, palm mute 10 G, back to B, 13, 10, G, 10, and then our 9, 9, 10 to our 9s. And that's the only difference there. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. We're just playing our chorus through there, just guitar 1, and then we're going to our post-chorus again, just guitar 1, and we'll do our solo at the end. From there we just play the chorus to the end. On the first one we just leave out the O3 on the E string, and then just keep repeating the chorus after that. So there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solos. So for our solo, start with a bend on the 7th fret G. Then we're just doing a half bend, so let it come down, back to the bend, half bend, bend, and then we're bending again on the 7, release, do 5, pull off the 4 on the G, and then 5, slide up to 9. Then we're going to play the 10th fret 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 on the G, back to the B, 10, 13, 10, hammer on, pull off. Stay on the B, 13, 12, 13, slide up to 12 on the E. Back to B, 15, 13, 12, 13, 12, G, 12, do it 2 more times. And then play it again and slide up to 14. Then back to B, 12, 13, pull off to 12, 14, G. Then we're sliding up to 17 on the E, bend and release 20 on the B, do that again, and then just bend. Then we're jumping to the E, 17, 20, 17, hammer on, pull off. Then we have this run, E, 17, B, 20, 17, 20, pull off to 17, G, 20, B, 17, G, 20, 19, 20, pull off to 19, and then 17, 16, 17, and bend the 19, G there. So bending the 19, then we're going to bend the 22nd fret on the E, just play 22, 20, 22 on the B, 21. Then we have this last run, E, 5, bend 8 on the B, back to the 5, E, back to the B, 8, 5, 8, pull off the 5, 8 on the G, 5 on the B, back to G, 8, 7, 8, pull off the 7, 5, and then bend the 7th fret on the G with a pinched harmonic, play 7, 5, both with pitched harmonics, and finish with 7 on the D. And that's our main solo there. Now let's have a look at our outro solo. So for our outro solo, we're going to slide up to 9 on the G, play 8B, 8E and pull off to the open, and then play the open again, then go 5 on the B, do 3, hammer on to 5, pull off to 3, G, 5, 4, 5, back to the B, 3, 5, G, 2, 2. Then we're sliding up to 10 on the B, play 12, bend 12, play 10, 12, 10, come up to 17 on the E, bend 20, and then half bend, bend, half bend, and then bend and release, bend and release, bend and release. E, 17, 19, play 19 again, bend and release. 17, 19, bend and release, 17. Jump back to 12 on the G, bend 2 times. B, 10, 12, then do 13, 12, 10, pull off. G, 12, B, 10, G, 12, 9, 12, 9, 9. To B, 12, 8, 10, 10 pull off the 8 on the E, and then back to 12 on the B. Then we have this little lick we're going to do 6 times. 12 on the B to the E, and hammer on and pull off here. 8, 10, 12, 10, 8, and 6 times. 6 times there. Then to finish, 12, pull off the 10, 8 2 times on the B, 10, 10 slide up to 12, 12 slide up to 13, 13 slide up to 15, 15 come in with your bar, and then B, 13, E, 10, 12, B, 10, 10. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. What you give is what you get. Guitar Lessons by Ratt. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.